Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start on your Xbox Series X with a network connection and your controller. Sign into the profile that owns the account. This matters because only the account holder can change contact email. Once done, press the Xbox button, go to Profile and System, then Settings. Navigate to Account and enter Sign In, Security, and Passkey. You're now in the area where account contact options live. Make sure you have your current password handy, because the console will prompt for verification before proceeding. For more security options, the console will often redirect you to Microsoft's Your Info area in a browser. This is where aliases are managed. Choose Manage how you sign into Microsoft and add a new email address as an alias. This is the core step. You add, then verify. Microsoft sends a verification code to that new email. Enter it when prompted. After verification, make that alias the primary account email, so Xbox recognizes it as your main contact for sign-in and notifications. Once the new alias is verified, choose Make Primary and wait for Microsoft to confirm the change. Then sign out of your Xbox profile and sign back in using the updated email if required. Make sure recovery options and two-step verification settings reflect the new contact so you don't lose access. If verification fails, check spam folders, click Resend code, or use an alternate recovery phone. If issues persist, try the same steps on a PC or mobile browser, and ensure the new email isn't already in use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.